Hello everyone, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma and I'm back today with 35 most important MCQs on the chapter The Last Lesson, the very first lesson in class 12th Flamingo book. So let's begin. Question number 1. Who were occupying the back benches? French and friends, Prussians, village people, none of these. Who were occupying the back benches? कौन लोग पिछली सीटों पे बैठे हुए थे? विलेज पीपल, विलेज एल्डर्स, ओल्ड हाउस ऑफ फॉर्मर मेयर, ये जैसे लोग बैठे हुए थे. सेकेंड वन, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द लास्ट लेसन? वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. अल्फोंस डोडे. What was Hamill going to ask French about? What was his homework? What was he expected to be prepared with? क्या उम्मीद की गई थी उससे? क्या प्रिपेयर करना था उसको? Adjectives, noun, verbs, participles. He was expected to prepare for participles. Alphonse Daudet was from which country? What is the origin? Alphonse Daudet was French novelist. So from where? From France. Born in Nimes. In the year 1840, he was born in Nimes, France. What did the baby chant? बेबीज ने लास्ट क्लास में क्या रिसाइट किया? बा बी बे बू बो, बी बो बा बी बू, बा बे बो बू बी, बा बे बी बो बू. Which one is correct option? The correct option is ba be bee bo boo. What order had come from Berlin? Berlin से क्या ऑर्डर आया था? To close the school, to teach German in schools of Alsace and Lorraine, the two districts, to teach French. None of these. What was the order? ऑर्डर में साफ लिखा था कि अगले दिन से जर्मन लैंग्वेज सिखाई जाएगी in the two districts of Alsace and Lorraine. What do the marching soldiers under the windows represent? जो मार्चिंग सोल्जर्स थे, प्रूसन सोल्जर्स, जो वहाँ पे मार्च कर रहे थे, परेड कर रहे थे, what do these represent? The dawn of Prussia in defeat of French people, the defeat of Prussia, the victory of French. None of these. Very first option, the dawn of Prussia in the defeat of French people. Question number 8. Where from the orders came to teach only German in districts of Alsace and Lorraine? It's very easy. We have discussed about it in another question in form of a different question. Berlin. Why did M. Hamel blame himself? अब M. Hamel अपने आप को क्यों दोषी मानते हैं? Not having taught them enough French, giving students a holiday at times, not being reasonable, not being strict, giving students a holiday at times. Why was French reluctant to go to school? फ्रेंच स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाना चाहता था? Why was he unwilling? Options: wanted to enjoy warm sunlight, lesson on participle was not prepared, wanted to enjoy outdoor, wanted to see soldiers drill. He did not prepare, he did not know anything about the rule for participles. He was not prepared with his lesson. What does the expression in great dread of scalding mean? What is the meaning of this phrase, in great dread of scalding? To be happy about it, very badly scared of scalding, to be indifferent, none of these. Very badly scared of scalding. 12. Why was Franz surprised? वो सरप्राइज्ड क्यों था? आखिर क्या देखा उसने? Why was he most surprised? What made him most surprised? Because of village elders, because of police patrolling, because of students' behavior, because of M. Hamel's kind and polite behavior, because of village elders. He was surprised to see the village elders. 13. Why was French feeling regretful and sad? अब फ्रेंच को दुख क्यों हो रहा था? फॉर रीचिंग लेट स्कूल, स्कूल लेट आया था. For not learning participles, for studying sincerely, for not learning his mother tongue. He was feeling regret and sad for not learning his mother tongue. Question number 14. Why does M. Hamel blame the parents? अब M. Hamel, French language teacher, पेरेंट्स को दोषी क्यों मानते हैं? ऑप्शन ए, they preferred children to work in farms. They were not strict. They did not come to M. Hamel's class. They did not love French. Very first option, they preferred children to work in farms. 15. When he teaches his last lesson, he emerges as. What does he emerge? क्या बन के उभरते हैं वो? क्या कैरेक्टर लेके आते हैं वो? A meek person, डरपोक. True patriot, repentant, defeated man. He emerges as a true patriot. एक सच्चे देशभक्त जो अपनी लैंग्वेज की प्रशंसा करते हैं और कहते हैं ये दुनिया की सबसे अच्छी लैंग्वेज है. What did old Hauser bring? ओल्ड हॉसर जो बैक बेंचेस पे बैठा हुआ था, क्या लेके आया था अपने साथ? स्वीट्स, चिल्ड्रन, फ्रेंड्स, ओल्ड प्राइमर. ओल्ड प्राइमर, वो प्राइमरी में पढ़ाई जाने वाली एक बुक विच वॉज थम्ड एट एजेस, जो टर्न आउट हो चुकी थी, फट चुकी थी. वॉट मेड फ्रेंड्स फॉरगेट एम हैमेल्स रूलर एंड क्रैंकी नेचर? ऐसा क्या हुआ कि एम हैमेल के क्रैंकी नेचर, उनके सन की व्यवहार और उनके आयन रूलर को भूल जाता है फ्रेंड्स? Police patrolling, strange quietness, bustle on the streets, the idea of his going away. The idea of his going away made him forget M. Hamel's ruler and his cranky nature. M. Hamel served the school for how many years? It's very easy, 40 years. And that is why those villagers were there in the classroom. Which district came into Prussian hands? Berlin and Lorraine, Lorraine and Alsace, Alsace and Berlin, none. Lorraine and Alsace, Alsace and Lorraine, these two districts came into Prussian hands after Franco-Prussian War that was fought in 1870-71. Why were the parents sending their children to the farms and mills? To play, to meet friends, to meet relatives, to earn money. It's very easy for earning money, to earn money. Friends wanted to skip school for what reason he wanted to skip school? Usually he skipped his school, go on sliding on Sar, Sar River, and collecting birds' eggs. So he wanted to skip school for collecting birds' eggs. Why did the villagers come to meet M. Hamel in the school? लास्ट क्लास में लास्ट लेसन के टाइम विलेजर्स आते हैं एम एम एल की क्लास को अटेंड करने के लिए. वाई? टू कंप्लेन, शिकायत करने के लिए. टू से गुड बाय, उनको गुड बाय बोलने के लिए. टू गॉसिप, चर्चा करने के लिए. टू शो ग्रेटिट्यूड, टू शो ग्रेटिट्यूड बिकॉज ऑफ हिज 40 years of service. Why did M. Hamel call the French language the most beautiful language? Because it was clearest and logical, because it was his native language, because people were from France. None of these. It's very easy. Because it was the clearest and logical language. 24. When people are enslaved, what key do they have to the prison according to M. Hamel? Their behavior, power, aggressiveness, mother tongue. Correct option, mother tongue. Next one, 25. What did friends notice that was unusual that day? The school आता है friends. The school was unusual. What was unusual? Usually it started with lot of hustle and bustle, commotion. But that particular day, there was difference. A. Quietness in school like Sunday. School closed. Birthday of M. Hamel. None. It was option A. Quietness in school like Sunday. 26. What had been put up on the bulletin board that day? Bulletin board पे उस दिन क्या खबर लिखी गई थी? German to be taught from the next day, French to be taught, English to be taught, all of these. There was an order from Berlin for teaching German from the next day. So what is correct option? German to be taught from the next day. 27. क्या चेंज आया था स्कूल में? हसल एंड बसल, पीपुल वर हैप्पी, टीचर्स वर सैड, स्ट्रेंज क्वाइटनेस एंड सैडनेस. क्या हुआ था? स्ट्रेंज क्वाइटनेस एंड सैडनेस. बिल्कुल शांति थी, लोग उदास थे. इवन द विलेजर्स वर ऑक्यूपाइंग द बैक benches which were usually empty. Thunderclap in the lesson means, what is the meaning of thunderclap? Loud but not clear, loud and clear, startling and unexpected, unpleasant. It is startling and unexpected. और ये कब कहा गया? फ्रेंड्स ने ये बोला, दीज वर्ड्स वर थंडर क्लैप टू मी. कौन से वर्ड? कि आज के बाद फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज नहीं पढ़ाई जाएगी. एंड देयर जर्मन टीचर वुड कम द नेक्स्ट डे. 29. What did Mr. Hamel bring for his class on his last day in the school? लास्ट डे में अपने क्लास के बच्चों के लिए उन्होंने क्या दिया? न्यू पेन्स, न्यू नोटबुक्स, स्वीट्स, स्टोरी बुक्स. So what did he give? He gave new copies, new notebooks. What was special about notebooks? It was written in calligraphy, good calligraphy. France, Alsace, France, Alsace. 30th question. Franco-Prussian War was fought in when? We have already discussed in the video itself. I have told you 1870-71. And not only that, the same year Prussia defeated France. Prussia that time collectively known as the collective forces of Germany, Poland, and parts of Austria, collectively known as Prussia. Under the leadership of Bismarck, Otto von Bismarck, Prussia defeated France. 31. Don't go so fast, bub. You'll get to your school in plenty of time. Who said these words? M. Hamel, Franz, Blacksmith Watcher? None of these. It's very easy. Who said these words? Blacksmith Watcher. To whom? To Franz, who was going to school, who was late for school. What bad news would come from the bulletin board? बुलेटिन बोर्ड से कौन सी बैड न्यूज़ आया करती थी? लॉस्ट बैटल्स, orders of commanding officers, the draft, all of these. So all these bad news came from the bulletin board. So what is correct option for us? All of these. 33. What change in attitude of M. Hamel was noticed by Franz? उस दिन एम हैमिल के व्यवहार में क्या परिवर्तन आया था? द लास्ट लेसन के दिन. सॉफ्ट एंड काइंड, रूड, फर्म एंड स्ट्रिक्ट, ऑल. वो ड्यूड बिहेव तो करते थे, फर्म एंड स्ट्रिक्ट भी थे, लेकिन लास्ट लेसन से पहले. सो व्हाट वाज द चेंज? क्या चेंज आया था? सॉफ्ट एंड काइंड. उसको डर था कि डांटेंगे, लेकिन उस दिन उसको डांट नहीं पड़ी. 34, द सेकेंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन. What were the last words written by M. Hamel? Alsace, France, Lorraine, France, Vive la France. The last words written by M. Hamel. इतना बड़ा, जितना बड़ा वो लिख सकते थे उतना बड़ा उन्होंने लिखा. Vive la France. What is the meaning of Vive la France? Long live France. Now the last question, 35. Who was packing on the last day of teaching? लास्ट डे ऑफ टीचिंग, जब बच्चे क्लासरूम में पढ़ रहे थे तो ऊपर से कुछ सामान खिसकाने और ट्रंक्स की आवाज़ें आ रही थीं. हु वॉज पैकिंग? हिज मदर, हिज वाइफ, हिज सिस्टर? नन ऑफ दीज. सो हु वॉज दिस person who was packing? His sister was packing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.